Kisii, nimwite ndugu yangu kutoka kule Kisii, rafiki yangu, rafiki wa Fred Matiang'i, Senator Onyonka, akuje ahutubie huu mkutano. Karibu sana ndugu, na ufoke vile unafoka. Asante.
Nashukuru sana. Hamjambo. God is good. Lordship Bishop, I will not name everybody, but I want to say thank you for a wonderful sermon that you conducted. Nimekuja hapa kushuhudia mazishi haya kwa sababu Jamle Kamau tulikuwa naye bunge. Kwa wale hamnijui, mimi naitwa Richard Onyonka, kwetu ni pale Kisii, na Jamle, from the time you left me, I've been in parliament for 23 years. So there's something I know. And I've listened to my brother Raphael Tuju speak, because yeye ndiye ana kile kitu tunaita institutional memory. Sir, thank you for saying what you've said. Allow me to tell you two things. And I've seen very many of you who are my friends, Professor, all of you are here. The truth is, Kenya's problem is because of the deficit in leadership. Kenya's problem is we want power to go and steal our resources from our poor people. We want to be given power so that we can employ our relatives to the good jobs. We want power so that if need be, like William Ruto is doing, he employs only his people in the military, he employs his people in the police, he employs his people at the teaching profession. Then you leave me as a person who comes from a community that has no leadership, that doesn't have the presidency of this country, and you expect me to stand up and say how I love Kenya. Bishop, I cannot love a country that doesn't accept fairness, that doesn't accept justice, that doesn't have equity, that doesn't have good governance. That is why you will take William Ruto, he will kill your children and nothing happens. It is normal. That is why they will steal billions of shillings and he's dishing it out. They will come here in Muranga here and dish out all those billions. Where are they getting them from? From your pockets. Isn't it? So kitu ningependa kuwauliza tafadhali kwa heshima. Sisi tumekuja hapa na mimi nauliza nyinyi viongozi mko hapa, Mheshimiwa Gachagua, please don't kill our dream. Keep yourselves together. Carry Matiang'i with you, carry Jamlek with you, carry Martha Karua with you, carry Justin Muturi with you. We are ready to wait for you to tell us where we are going. Because if you do not do that, all of you are going to be hanged separately by William Ruto as we watch from outside the tent. Tumesikizana? Harambe! One time.
Sasa Senator Onyonka, mpigieni makofi huyu ndugu. Asante. Kile kitu ambacho Raphael Tuju alisahau kusema